everyone, my name is Jiji Healy and welcome to my YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you for those who already subscribed my channel and followed my video. And for those who did not subscribe it yet, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification button or the bell button para ma-notify kayo every time na may bago akong video na ina-upload sa aking channel. Salamat! Hello everyone, good morning, and since I don't have work, it's weekend, my morning routine is to water my garden. As you can see, the garden is so dry because we don't have rain for a couple of months now. It's really hard because we're only relying on the rain because we're in the rainwater tank. It's because yung usage namin sa water is limited kasi nag-rely lang kami sa water tank. If walang ulan, mapoproblema din kami sa tubig. So, we have to keep an eye kasi pag wala kaming ulan, maybe next couple of weeks, kailangan na namin bumili ng tubig at mahal pa naman. Buti na lang yung ibang plants ko nag-self support sila. Kasi minsan pag busy sa work, hindi ko sila madidiligan. Yung ibang vegetable plants ko tulad ng eggplant at moringa, nilagay ko inside sa greenhouse para maprotektahan ng init at hindi sila masyadong mauuhaw. Buti na lang may greenhouse shed ako para sa mga plants ko kasi yung ibang plants ko it need shelter. Siguro kung wala yun, namamatay na yung mga plants ko sa kainit dito. We will hope and pray that we will get rain, a good rain, very soon. Ito yung moringa ko, nilagay ko under the shelter or malunggay. Parang nagustuhan niya yung temperature dito. Moringa or malunggay is one of the favorite vegetables of Filipino people. May mga eggplant din ako dito, so pag maraming bunga, may pang-ulam na. Some of my plants, it need partly shade. If I don't have a greenhouse, I'm sure I already lost them. My okra, I had it in the ground but I put it to the pot kasi parang nasusobrahan sa init doon. Mayroon din akong limonsito or calamansi. And also had a jackfruit. It can stay there for a while in the pot until we can finalize the home for it, or maybe after we will build the house. I also have avocado, and I also had another mango tree here. I have coconut. We had a mango tree that may be confused about this season this year. As you can see here, there is flowers, and the season of the mango is already finished, but this one is it's like it's about to start. Maybe it's confused about the climate now. And I also had a blue Java banana. Thank you for watching. Until next time.